Good morning, children, and I hope you all are in the best of health. Very happy. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Bharathi, and I am an English teacher from Telangana. Okay, so I will very glad to meet you all and to teach some English grammar to you. So, first chapter, let me begin about the sentence. First, let me tell you what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words which frame the main words. That way, a sentence is a group of words which make sensible meaning. Sensible means the correct formation of sentence. But when we frame a sentence, there is a subject and predicate. Now, what is subject and predicate? Let me explain. See, I have written on the board 3 sentences. First sentence is, I like apples. Okay, this is a group of words. There are 3 words. I like apple. It's a correct sentence. Okay. I like apple. That is a sentence. In this, there is a subject and a predicate. Now, what is a subject? About whom we are talking about is called a subject. We are talking about I. We are talking about I. That means I. I like apple. So, I is subject and like apples is predicate. About what we are talking about like apples. So this part of the sentence is predicate and about whom we are talking is subject. The same way, the second sentence, Ram and Sham are brothers. In this, Ram and Sham, because we are talking about 2 persons. So, Ram and Sham. This part of the sentence is subject and this part of the sentence is predicate. So, a sentence is divided into 2 parts. Third one, India is my country. So, in this, we are talking about India. So, this is subject and this part of the sentence is predicate. Now, let me tell you one more thing. 3 sentences are written. The first sentence, the first part is pronoun. I is a pronoun. Second one, Ram and Sham. These 2 are the nouns, proper nouns. Third also, India. India is also proper noun. So here what I want to say, subject can be noun or pronoun. Both. Subject can be noun or pronoun. About whom we are talking, that is a subject, and about what we are talking, that is a predicate. So a sentence is divided into 2 equal parts. One is subject and other one is predicate. Okay. So this I hope you all understood. Now coming to the next point is, how many parts a subject is divided. A subject is divided into 4 equal parts. A sentence is divided into 4 equal parts. Okay, let me explain you. The first one. Now, a sentence is divided is declarative. Okay, now first one is declarative. What is declarative? It is a statement. Now what is statement? Statement is, like for example, we can take I woke up early. I woke up early. Okay. Example, I woke up early. This is negative. So, first part of sentence is declarative. Declarative, what we declare. Now here in this sentence, I woke up early. I am declaring that I woke up early. That is positive. And the other one is I don't wake up early. That is negative. So, in declarative, there are two types. One positive and one is negative. This type of sentences are called declarative and they are called statements. Okay. Now the next one is interrogative. Second one is interrogative. Now, what is interrogative? Interrogative means questions. Interrogative. Interrogative means to interrogate someone. Asking questions. Okay. In questions we ask many. What, how, where do you live, what is your name? This all comes under questioning. That means interrogating. Now the police interrogate the thief. Okay. So same way, interrogative means asking questions. Now, for example, what, how, where. Okay, these words which help us to get the answers. They are questioning. So in interrogative there are two types. One is with models like auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs mean do, can. Okay, do, can. They are called auxiliary verbs. Do you like apples? That is also a question. But it is not direct question. It is not direct question. Okay. So, these type of words are called auxiliary verbs. So, interrogative comes under direct question like what, how, where, and auxiliary verbs do, can, for example. Okay. So, one more is question tag. The other one is question tag. Now, what is question tag? You like roses, isn't you? See, question tag means, for example here, you like roses. You like roses, isn't you? That is only for confirmation. I am just confirming whether you like or not. I know you like roses. So just for confirmation or how I'll ask, you like roses, isn't you? Isn't you, hasn't you, haven't you? Okay, aren't you? So this type of sentences are called question tags. And this question tags will come after the sentence. After the sentence. Main questions like what is your name? It comes in the beginning. What? What is your name? But in question tag, the sentence will be there and following the sentences, the question tag will be there. Isn't it? Okay, India is a big country. Isn't it? That means we know. But just for our confirmation, we are asking, isn't it? Haven't you? You have done your homework, haven't you? Just for confirmation. Confirming yes or no. So this is question tag. So after that, imperative. Imperative sentence. Third one is imperative sentence. Now, what is imperative sentence? Imperative sentence comes under request, demand and advise. For example, now see, the third one is imperative. Now what are imperative sentences? Imperative sentence comes under request, demand and advice. Like we are requesting something. Please give me a glass of water. That is a request. When we use please, it becomes a request. So please give me a glass of water. Next, demands or commands. Okay, commanding. Commanding means how we command. The police commands other persons. Okay, the minister commands the police. Teacher commands children. Sit down. When teacher says sit down, that is the commanding. Teacher is commanding you to sit. Okay. The next one is advice. When you go to the doctor advises you. Okay. The elder people advise you. You should drink milk daily night to be healthy. That is an advice. You should go to the doctor when you are sick. That is an advice. Okay. Don't eat more chocolates. That is an advice. So, imperative sentences comes under request, demands and advice. Okay. Now, the last one. The last one is exclamatory. Exclamatory sentence. Now what is exclamatory sentence? It has strong feelings. It has strong feelings. Like, what a lovely flower. Yeah. Exclamatory, sudden feelings, our feelings which we show. Okay, when you see a beautiful flower, suddenly you say, what a lovely flower. It is not a question. Because what is there, it doesn't become a question. You hold a flower in your hand and you say, what a lovely flower. That is your feeling, your strong feelings. Okay. Hooray, we have won the match. That is a strong feeling coming when you are seeing the cricket and you win the match. So suddenly you will say, hooray, we win the match. So the things which comes through our heart, our feelings, that feelings are called exclamatory sentence. So the first thing, let me tell you, a sentence is formed. A sentence is formed by the group of words, and a sentence is divided into two parts. One is subject, the other one is predicate. The subject can be, can you remind me? A subject can be a noun or a pronoun. Subject can be a noun or a pronoun. Okay? In sentence there are four forms. The first one is declarative, second one is interrogative, the third one is imperative, and the fourth one is exclamatory. Okay, there are four forms of sentences. And now I hope you have understood the entire class and try to find out from your first lesson all the types of sentences. Okay. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Meet you soon, children, in the next section. Bye.